If you have an iPhone 12 and you want to start using FaceTime, then this video is going to show you how to install FaceTime on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So literally, when you have a new iPhone 12 or a used one, then you have the FaceTime installed on it automatically. However, before the FaceTime can actually work, you need to turn on the FaceTime on your iPhone. So here basically, I'm going to show you how to install FaceTime on your iPhone and then turn it on. So for all iPhone users, the FaceTime application is automatically installed. However, if the FaceTime app is missing on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store and then come to search. Then here you want to search for FaceTime. Now, once you click on FaceTime, they're going to see the FaceTime here. So it's always pre-installed on all iPhones. They also have it pre-installed like this. Now go back to your iPhone settings. And on the iPhone settings page on iOS 18, if I run on iOS 18 on your iPhone 12, just scroll down, click on apps. Then here you want to scroll down until get to FaceTime. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on FaceTime, you need to activate FaceTime. If FaceTime is disabled just like this, the FaceTime will not be able to work on your iPhone, even with the FaceTime application installed. So you'll not be able to put a code through until you turn on the FaceTime in the settings page. So while on the settings page, just come here and turn on FaceTime. Then hang on. After a couple of seconds, then you should see the FaceTime activated on your iPhone. Then once you see your phone number, your email address, damn all of this, then that shows the FaceTime now is now active. Then you can now exit this page. So that is basically how to install FaceTime on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.